Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. Have you noticed something that's happening in some of the bigger stores, supermarkets, warehouses? You've got things following you around. They've got little eyes that roll, and they're just another sign that increasingly what we're buying through technology. The thing I love about my business is it's not that way at all. You can't do that with carpet. Carpet is something that has to be custom fitted to your house. At Island Carpet, we have a saying, every house is different, every job is custom. When you come here, you're not going to look at a screen and punch some little buttons, and we're going to take you by the hand, we're going to ask you questions, we're going to take you around the store, we're going to find just the right product that fits your requirements, and then we're going to custom fit that product to your house. Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.